Hi, my name is Carla, and today I'm going to show you how to start the process of signing up for a rotating collection of DVDs. This tutorial is suitable for library directors or people who are managing public library collections. The Connecticut Library Consortium is a group of libraries, and for an annual fee, these libraries can receive a bundle of DVDs to circulate for 1 month. Then the libraries meet up, swap the bundles of DVDs so that each library has a new collection to circulate. So we will begin the process of joining this type of subscription by going to the CLC website. The URL is connecticutlibrarians.org, and it happened to autofill here in my browser. And here is the main page of the Connecticut Library Consortium. Because this DVD service represents a cost savings for member libraries, we will find it under the Save menu. We don't even need to click this menu. We simply hover the mouse over the word Save, and then we see some other options. We're going to select Public Libraries, hover over those words. Then here in the next menu, we are interested in books and non-print, since DVDs are considered a non-print media. We click those words. Now we see this list of benefits for public libraries, and we are going to select CLC's cooperative collections, which are also known as media circuits. We see a brief overview of the program, and if we would like to, we could quickly email one of these people here to learn about joining, or to learn a little bit more about the program first, we can click on the Frequently Asked Questions section, and we scroll through, and here under How Does It Work, we see that renewals and sign-ups for the program take place in the spring. And then if we would like, again, to learn more and then email one of the coordinators, we have the email addresses here, and again, all we would have to do is click on these. We could send an email. If your library is located in the eastern part of the state, you would contact me. If your library is located in the western part of Connecticut, you would contact Laura, and one of us can help you sign up for the CLC cooperative collections. Thanks so much for listening to this tutorial.